how to fix Telegram login problem in your device. For that, first of all, open App Store on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then on the searching bar, search for Telegram and make sure there is no any update now button. If you see update now button instead of open, then simply hit on that and update your application. Once you do that, check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still there, then the next step you should do is simply launch your settings on your device. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you'll see general options. Simply tap on it. From here, go through iPhone storage and search for Telegram. Now, once you go through Telegram, there you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. You have to choose offload app and do offload app. Once you do that, your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.